I'm out here looking for some fish, obviously. I'm just going for some sand whiting. I'll be hunting around, going in the shallows and coming out a little bit deeper, and see if I get a. I want to get the double headers and the good size whitings. If I catch a few small ones, I might still keep them. It really depends how I go. Let's get into it. Right, so I've already baited up, rigged up my whiting rig. Just going to scale around first. Wind's actually not too bad. I won't put the sea anchor down yet. It's only 12 metres. I prefer to go in the 15 metre mark, but it's an old spot. I just want to see if there's any fish out here. Whiting can be a bit tricky sometimes. Well, here you go, baby, bang straight away. Today, come on, is it whiting? Yeah, nothing huge. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, so definitely whiting. Oh look, that's not a bad dinner size whiting. It's not the big stompers. I'll definitely keep that. So that was straight away onto the fish. So that's good. Yeah. Again, oh, this has got a bit more weight, this one. Hope it's those big ones I'm looking for. The ones that are close to 30 centimetres. I knew it, butterfish has to always ruin the party. So I'm glad I put a smaller hook out here. I think it's probably a size 4. Size 6s are probably the way to go for the medium size sand whiting. Oh, here you go, here you go. Here you go. Could be 2 on this one. Oh, okay, 1 whiting and 1 butterfish. That's a bit of whiting. That's a lot better. Bigger bait as well on that one. Butterfish. Oh, that's, yeah, I love that. That's definitely whiting. Let's hope there's 2 on that one. They really vibrate when they hook up. Oh no, it's a butterfish. Alright, let's hopefully score a whiting. Long way down. Yep, we got one. It's not it's not much bigger than what I was getting before. Just threw out the squid jig as well. You know, in 17 minutes of water. Oh, that's whiting. You can definitely feel that, like a rapid bite. Let's hope I've got 2. Give me some curry. You can almost feel the fish. Let's say it's butterfish. Oh, it's a baby pinky. Oh my god. So I paid to throw the squid jig over. Bought. Just surprising to get them in so deep water. Bit of a weight. Slowly bring him up. Oh, now he's just hooked. Just realised he's hooked right now. Went in reverse. Where is he? Huh. Bit of weight for a small one. I'll take that. There you go. Oh, nice stomper, double trouble, awesome. So I've found them, found the good whiting. It's good. I'm actually using my old bait. When it was sand whiting, when fresh is best, but sand whiting really don't care. Ooh. Let's hope some more whiting. Oh, rod's really buckled down. Come on, what do we got? Yeah, another double. Beautiful whiting. Good beauty. So I've actually marked this spot. Some of these whiting grounds you just got to find them and keep them to yourself. So just small baits and you'll clean up. Oh, and the line's going off again. Oh, this is probably another double. Can't be a triple because I've only got 2 hooks. Whew. And we got another double. Doubles galore. Nice. What's happening? So look at that. Little bit of bait. Even this one here, just got to watch out. The bait isn't. It's hanging off because I'll just rip it off. That will catch them. So as soon as that hit, the sinker hits, it's like they're on. There you go. That's better. That's better. Whee! The whiting is a whiting. Oh, it's butterfish and a whiting. Okay. There we go, is he? Oh, it's a flatty. Oh, small flatty. Look, that's whiting. Oh, that's 2. Oh, that's the double. It's a long way down there, 17 metres. Oh no, 2 snappers. Well, hang on, 1 snapper and 1 tarwine, both on the size. It's not bad, this one. The size of flatty. It's 2 fish. Okay. 1 flatty and 1 whiting. Let's have a look at the double. Come on, not a flatty. I already got stung by 1. Can. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, yeah, okay. I'd say it's a small pinky or something. Bit of weight. It's fighting. Come on, something good. All right. Oh my God. Oh. Western king wrasse. Righty, here's the catch. Probably say there's about 20 whiting. There you go. You cannot complain with that. There's some really good sizes right here. Yeah, beauty. See you home for the cook up. Lovely. Oh, hang on. Actually, I might have 1 more. There's always 1 more. I think it's come off. That's the one more. And look at this one. It's a different species of whiting. It's actually got a green. He's got a. So he's got green here, and his snout is more elongated. So different species of whiting. Right, so we're going to start cooking up. I've just got a few of these beautiful nice whitings and just a bit of a squid tentacle here. Yeah, it is night time, as you can see. I can barely see now. I'm just going to get something from the garden, the veggie patch, if I can find it. Here we go. I've been waiting for this. It's a small beetroot. Spring onions, just maybe one. See if I can just pull him out without destroying the other plants. That's it. So I'm blessed with my veggie patch. Been working hard and getting it all rolled up. It's going here pretty good. We've got some good tucker here. We've got some beautiful tucker right here. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so it is a small beetroot, just trimmed off the root. I'm just going to cut it like that. I'm actually going to, because it's so small, I'm just going to cut into little pieces. You can eat these raw. They're absolutely delicious and sweet. I'm just going to harvest some of these leaves too. Get rid of that, the sand and that one. It's no good. Got the spring onion right here too. Nothing too flash. I've already cleaned them up. Just going to give them a good drizzle of salt. Just lightly dust them. There we go. I like to just shake them like that. The pan's a bit wet, which was a bad idea, but that's alright. I'm actually going to put in the beetroot right now. My intention is to get some of that colour into the oil. I don't think it's going to work. Probably best to boil it up, but that's alright. It's only a small batch. Very small beetroot too. There you go, so you got some speckles coming out now. The other side, just try and put the whiting in. I don't know if the oil is hot enough yet. Some of the calamari legs. Could almost say it's leftover bait, but mate, this is fresh stuff. Just a simple dish right here. I reckon it's time to turn them over. Oh, look at that. That nice reddy colour on it. That caramelisation too. What a nice little change to whiting. Almost turned into a goatfish. Let that cook away. Just let it slowly cook there like that. And also the spring onions as well. Let that cook down a bit. Nice and healthy. Work out the fish is getting cooked. I reckon it's getting pretty close. I don't want to overcook it, because as you take it off, it will still cook in the plate. Can't go wrong with a bit more black pepper. Okay, just put this right over here. It's definitely cooked. Some of these veggies right here. Not very master chefish, but I think it'll just be okay. A bit more greens right here. How about that? How about that? Let's go for the cook up. I'll just cut this off here, and with these whole fish, so easy once they're cooked to fillet them. I reckon it's more efficient because you just don't waste much flesh at all. You can pick around the bones. You've got the rib cage to deal with. I'm just trying to do this carefully. Right, come on. So they can just, there you go. So you're basically butterflying the fish right here. There you go. Definitely cooked. Remove the, there, that's beautiful. All the bones you got here is in the rib cage, but just for the sake of the cook up, I'll grab that piece. Grab some of that. And a little bit of squid. Look at that. Righty. Let's give it a crack. Oh, it smells good. I amaze myself. Mate, it's fresh beetroot with the fish. What a combo. I need more greens. What a combo. Let's go for the squid with the beetroot as well. Right here. I really like the sweetness of the beetroot with the saltiness of the fish because I put a bit of salt and the pepper. Everything's fantastic. Anyway, if you want to keep up to date, make sure you give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much if you already have. And I reckon we'll see you next time. Take it easy. You beauty. Where's my drink? There you go. Bit of vintage on a cold winter's night. No fear.
Fish, tucker.
Yummy.
Fish, tucker. Fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker. Fish, tucker. The fish, tucker, man.